welcome to EduKool. Here we are with a new video in our vocabulary series. So, without a further ado, let's get started. So, our first word is erudite. E-R-U-D-I-T-E, erudite. Friends, erudite is an adjective and it is used to describe a person who possesses great knowledge or learning. Erudite means having or showing great knowledge or learning. So, if a person is a knowledgeable person, you can call him an erudite. Let us see how to use the word erudite in a sentence. Mr. Sen is an erudite professor and is quite famous among his students. Rahul can turn any conversation into an erudite discussion. Friends, our next word is encore. E-N-C-O-R-E, encore. Encore is a noun and it means a repeated or additional performance of an item at the end of a concert as called for by an audience. Friends, जब ऑडियंस को कोई परफॉर्मेंस पसंद आती है और वो उस परफॉर्मेंस को रिपीट करने के लिए कहते हैं एंड एज अ रिज़ल्ट जो एक्टर होता है या जो सिंगर होता है वो अपनी परफॉर्मेंस को रिपीट करता है, दोबारा से परफॉर्म करता है, तो इस एक्ट को कहा जाता है encore. Let us understand this with the help of few sentences. After Michael Jackson's performance, everyone shouted for an encore. The orchestra did a few old hits as an encore. Friends, the third and the last word is chide. C-H-I-D-E, chide. Chide is a verb and it means to speak to someone severely because they have behaved badly. Now let us see how to use the word chide in sentences. My mother chided me for my bad manners. Friends, I'm quite sure that every one of you had been chided during your childhood by your parents so that you can become a better person. Well, I don't know about you, but yeah, I had been chided by my parents during my childhood. Let us see one more example. The principal chided the students for their thoughtless pranks. Friends, that's all for today. Please do like, share and subscribe. And please don't forget to give us your valuable comments. Thank you and bye-bye.